HVAC people!
Got a no cool call, no cool call.
Well, Nest keeps sending me message that it goes off all the time, but then it make noise, but it don't work.
Okay. Upstairs or downstairs?
If there is a problem, will you be able to fix it today?
Well, let me diagnose it first and we'll find out. Okay?
Because I'm going to have the children on Monday.
Okay.
If this is not working, then I don't bring the kids.
Okay. Well, it's an emergency, so we'll, yeah, show me your thermostat. So what about the downstairs? Is it cooling down here?
No, both.
Both of them down? Oh, wow. Did both of them go down at one time? Or did they?
Yeah, I think it's downstairs. The message I used to get was from downstairs.
And then the upstairs went out. Okay. So this is the upstairs one? Okay, so you got it on. Okay. No refrigerant on that one. No refrigerant on that one. Okay. Show me the downstairs thermostat.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, I go outside and I'll let you know here in a second. Okay.
Left.
Yes, ma'am. All right, folks. So they say it's emergency. All right, so I don't know what happened to my GoPro. Sometime when I push record, it just starts speeding up like this. But pretty much all I'm doing right now is I'm checking the pressures. I have over 100 PSI in both systems. And right now, if I take the cabinet off, and I'm checking voltage, and on both contactors, I'm getting 0 voltage from leg to leg. I'm not getting anything, getting 0 voltage. Open the disconnect, pull the disconnect. I almost got stunned by some waltzes right there. And I'm just not getting, I pull the disconnect, I'm just not getting anything. So I am about to go to the home. And I did check the cap also. Both capacitors was good. I went ahead and checked that because the power was off, but that's not our problem. So I'm about to go to the homeowner and ask her where is her breaker located. Man. You know your breaker box? Is it in the garage? Yeah, the breakers.
I don't know. There's something down here. In the garage.
It's in the garage, but you got so much stuff. I don't know if I can't find it.
Oh my God. On the side?
Yeah, I think it's over here somewhere.
It's right there.
This right here?
I don't know what you call breaker.
Yeah, breaker. It's like an electrical box with a bunch of little breakers that you, electrical. I don't think it's. No, that's not it. It used to be on this wall.
I never seen that.
You never seen it? Like a gray box?
And the gray box I have here is not. Hold on. Let me find the key for this one. There is a gray box there, but it's empty.
Okay. I'm gonna go look at this side of the house. Ma'am, I found it.
I found it.
Yeah, I found it. It's on this side.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. They I see it's open. Did anybody do any work?
No.
Yeah, look. See it's open. Did anybody come in and do any work to it?
No.
Okay, okay. I'm the first AC guy to look at it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me look at it. So you gotta watch, sometime they'll have people looking at it. It'll definitely trip.
It was off, not trip.
So I'm trying to see if it's tripped. Did anybody come and shut it off? That's it.
Ah.
That's all it is. All right, that's all it was, y'all. I think it was just... Those breakers were not tripped. The electrical panel was just open. I'm gonna hook my gauges up to it, just check the pressures, and see if I can get a superheating subcooling on it. Alright folks, so I'm just gonna clean these both of these units up. We got the okay from the homeowner. We're gonna clean both of them up, wash them from the outside in, and that should be the trick. Yeah, I don't know why that electrical panel was open like that. May tell the homeowner they might want to put a lock on it outside. What y'all think? Leave a comment how y'all think the electrical box is open and both of the ACs was off. And they was not tripped. Ooh-wee. What's this, R22 or 410? That'd be R22. All right, folks, so both our presses pretty much look the same. I'm gonna try to take my guess with no nameplate. I would say this is R22 refrigerant. What we got on this? 5 pounds, 1 ounce. I'm blind, I can't see. Okay, R22. R22 refrigerant. $32 superheat on that one. 4130. I think it's cooling fine, y'all. Get that water hose, gonna wash it up. Like see what our pressure doing when we're wetting the coil sometimes. It's gonna get low. Alright, so y'all see the red? That's your high side. See your red? That's your high side. That's what's going on out here at the condenser section. See, I got 173. So as I watch these coils, I'm just gonna wet the coils. I'm just gonna show you. You'll see the 173. See, it went down to 152. That's what we mean when we say this ambient temperature is affecting the coil pressure. So when your high side is very high, like 400 psi, you may have like a dirty coil or a bad condenser fan motor. Sometimes when those condenser fan motors go out, you have a large system. You can't get a fan motor, you get a water hose and wet your coil, you keep your unit up and running. Alright, but watch these coils for now 10-15 minutes. I'm getting a little rain out here, so try to tighten up so I can move on to the inside. Sure light. All right, folks, see if we can get that blower wheel cleaned. Oh man, that's all right. So once I pop my information in, as you can see, my information pops up. 5 stars, phone number, website, and email address. So they get alert. I think on their app on their phone, give them yes or no. Do they want to contact Washington AC and Heating? And Nest will pay me a diagnostic fee. And I do that to the upstairs and downstairs unit. But other than that, it's a wrap. I'm gonna take my gauges off, take a screenshot of the pressures. All right, folks, so I'll go ahead and log both of these pressures. Looking good. So we do 970 first. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Got both of these units logged, both of them up and running good. Got the maintenance on both units. We on to the next.